everybody, welcome back to my channel. So last week the website that I was on said we were getting PNG, which I was all excited about, and then guess what, no PNG. So I don't know if I can trust that site a lot. I've noticed sometimes when I go to moolasavingmoms.com or whatever, I get wrong information. So today I'm trying back the site that I usually go to that is pretty correct, and this is SundayCouponinserts.com. Now they always show what inserts are coming out. Now it looks like we'll be getting possibly 2 or 3 inserts. Definitely a Smart Source, definitely a PNG, but there is a rumor that Retail Me Not is coming out, but there only might be gain coupons. Not 100% sure, but I'm going to give you guys just the inserts preview for the Smart Source and the PNG. So here is the Smart Source preview. We got 2,000 flushes, band deodorant, $3 off any 2, Bosch and Lomb, Betty Crocker fruit snacks, 50 cents, bio oil, Blue Emu, blueberry Cheerios, $1. We got some Boost coupons, Clorox, Scentiva, $1 off any 2, or the wet mopping cloths, $1.50. We're getting some Colgate coupons for a 2-pack, $2, mouthwash, $2, toothpaste, 50 cents, not a big deal, 50 cents. And then we're getting Colgate Total Optic White Platinum Enamel Health, $2. So those are great coupons. I'm going to say Walgreens isn't a great week or a month 2 coupon for toothpaste, but CVS hopefully is. CoverGirl, I feel like we get CoverGirl all the time, but it's 2, 1, and 2. Curel Moisturizer, $1.50. Dr. Scholl's, Jergens, $1.50. John Frieda, $2. Miralax, $2. I feel like we get, or actually no, never mind, it's $1. Nature Valley off any 2, that's $1. Now we also have some printable coupons for that one too, and there's a good deal at Walgreens this week, or this coming Sunday. If you guys are interested in that deal, just watch my breakdown video for Walgreens ad preview. OxyClean, $1. OxyClean pre-treater, 50 cents. I don't think those are the good OxyClean that we want, but there's that. And then peanut butter Chex Mix, $1. Spot Shot, 55 cents. So the Smart Source doesn't have a lot of great items, but the P&G, we got some good things going on. So there's a line Probiotic, Always Radiant pads, and we're probably going to get tampons, and there are 3 off of 2. Those are great coupons, so hopefully we can get some free products with that. Bounty, we got $1. Cascade, 50 cents. Charmin flushable wipes, 25 cents. Charmin toilet paper, $1. Crest 3D, 5 off that. Mouthwash, $1. Toothpaste, $1. Dawn Ultra off any 2, $1. Then here we got Downy infusers, $2 off of just that. Downy, $1. Downy. Here we get into Febreze. Buy one, get one free. So those are great coupons, but it's for your car only. But then we also have regular products for buy one, get one free. I love those coupons. Fixodent, Gillette, antiperspirant, $1. Clinical, $2. Gillette disposable razors, it looks like it's going to be $5 off of 2. Then we have a $2 off coupon, $3 off hair food, Head and Shoulders, $1 or 3 off of 2. Herbal Essence by Renew, 4 off of 2. Love's diapers, $1. I've actually seen Love's for like 4 something bucks at Walmart, so you guys can get some packs of diapers really cheap if you need to. Metamucil, Mr. Clean products, Olay. Old Spice deodorant, $1. Old Spice. Here we got Oral-B toothbrushes, $1, which is a good coupon. Floss, $1. I haven't seen a floss coupon in for a while. Here we got diapers, 3 off of 2, which can be an okay deal. I don't think we'll top any diaper deals like we did for the month of July. So Pampers Easy Ups, 3 off of 2. Pampers Intense Rescue, 3 count. Oh, that doesn't sound right. Pampers. I think it's supposed to say Pantene Intense Rescue. But there's a buy one, get one free coupon. And then here is some Pampers or Love's wipes, 50 cents. So hopefully there's some good deals with that. More Pantene. Here's a $5 off of 3. Pepto-Bismol, Prilosec, Puffs tissues, 50 cents. Reusable gloves, 50 cents. Hopefully we can get some good deals with that. Secret Clinical, Secret Fresh, Swiffer Refill, Swiffer Starter Kit. Tampax Pearl, 3 off of 2. I told you it's a good coupon. Here's Venus Disposable Razors, 5 off of 2. Venus Razors, $2. And then Vicks Pure Z's is $1. So those are the inserts that we will be getting this Sunday, so you guys can figure out what you guys want. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.